Hey guys, it's vikishub here. So for this particular design, it's really gonna be simple, and I'm gonna be using mostly glitter in my hands. That's it. So I'm just gonna go into it. First off, you have to just place something like I showed, just to protect the other side, and create any pattern on your hands. I'm just gonna be creating a random pattern on my hands. This is the pattern I've created. It looks a little bit gross. So next thing, I'm just gonna carefully place it down. So this is the pattern it has created. I don't know if you guys can see properly. So guys, I always forget to mention that you should only wash after 6 days. I don't know why I always forget to say that. So after making a design like this, you should always wait for at least 6 days to 7 days before you wash it, just to make the design set in properly. So